going to take a quick look at a Typhoon DC 3200S 7500 CFM dust collector. It is powered by a 20 horsepower motor. Up top, you are going to find 5 1 micron bags. That is going to give you a total of 165 square feet of filter area. Down below, you're going to find 5 dust collection bags. That's going to give you 60 cubic feet of storage area. This dust collector measures 112 inches tall, 183 inches wide, and 50 inches deep. The footprint is slightly staggered. Your front 2 cells are going to come off the front right side of your fan, while your left 3 cells are going to come off of your rear left side of the fan. That coincides with your fan direction. Up top, you have a 16-inch inlet. This machine does come with a motor starter. It is 230 460 volt capable, currently wired for 460 volt 3-phase, and that's going to run about 25 amps at that 460 volts. We are going to turn it on. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you could give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.